Hey, old man, come on, we're going to start making a load of money first. Okay, first let's go. With contact lenses, wow, it's so beautiful. The highlights of the inner ring are not special. The exaggerated kind, you see it as clear as glass beads. Outer ring with fine lock. Side up here. It is very gentle and has a god. If you wear it every day, it is both commuting and versatile. If you have a need to be motivated, you will too. It is very eye-catching and completely matched with Korean code words. Next, we will use a cost-effective concealer to cover the concealer. The dullness of the eyes and lips. Cover the acne marks with this light complexion. Let's go to the upper layer of foundation color number, just a moment. Just brighten it slightly, milky white highlight liquid. Pack up. Okay, let's paint the eyebrows with eyebrow powder. You can draw one of these slender colors with a little lighter color. Use a water eyebrow pencil with a lighter color, and you should also get the flue out first and fill in the shape by the way. A light brown eyebrow dye. Okay, or this bronze grooming solution to add more to the contour. You just let me. You don't have to be so careful when shipping. Even if you ship a little bit into the face, it won't be surprising. Use a nude multi-purpose stick like this to base the blush on your face and faint it in these places. Faint. This is the hole. The atmosphere will come out. Okay, put on the nose sticker and put on 2 small opening fans first. Then we pasted this false eyelashes, first curled the eyelashes, then brushed the mascara, and then pasted the eyelashes under our eyelashes. It is used to widen the double eyelids at home. A double eyelid sticker in the shape of a crescent. Very good. The brown eyeliner should first connect to the upper eyelid at the corner of the eye. And then we'll draw the shape of the front like this, and then we'll join the lower eyelid. What about eyeliner, or pull out a line pricing level first and then go there? Make up the line above. Well, it's okay like this, and you can fill it with food. Use a brown glue pen that is better to faint, and first trace such a line on the eyelid. Use a small brush to faint it open, and the end of the eye should be dizzy a little bit. Occupy dark brown. Color and trace it again to make it look more natural. Fishmeal, trace 2 wider aegyo saliva or occupy this dark brown. Color drawing 1. The lower eye includes eyeliner. Upper edge. For grooming, you need to draw 2 big CS from the eye socket to the mountain root, and then draw the bridge of the nose and the head of the nose. Including the end of the eye, and then faint him in place. I don't. One such rose pink rainbow stick is still in this area. Straighten up the current one with the brightening liquid. Otherwise, it looks too concave. Sync to brighten the nose. A powder-absorbing aegyo saliva. The pen deepens the nose shadow. This orange, and then use a meat pink lip liner to trace the lip shape. Then use a lip glaze of milk tea luo powder, and then superimpose it with this new lip gloss I bought. The glitter inside is very beautiful. Mingmi powder is fixed below and here. A tender pink pearlescent highlight to brighten the eyes. You can scan them up and down as well as the nose and eyebrow bones. A white peach-colored liquid highlight brush is dipped. Draw on the cheekbones, point a mole here, and then it's almost there. The hair is too oily for me. Spray it with that dry hairspray. Curly hair is here because I have less hair, so I don't divide it up and down. The ones behind the layer are too. To turn inward near the part of the face. The bangs on both sides are turned outward. This time, curl your hair, pay attention to curling it once, and pull it out. Go and roll it around again, it's almost there. Sydney, I wish you.